This was one of those days when my confused is confused. My tired is tired. If you look at my face here, I was just so tired. I wasn't sure what I was doing. But, I asked Holy Spirit, you have to help this daughter of Zion. This virtuous woman is not sure what she is doing right here in the kitchen. I was so tired. Anyway, I got into my kitchen. I found out that I had plantain, I had bacon, I had pieces of tomatoes here and there, onions, pepper. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make a concoction, but I don't want to boil the plantain and maybe have it with stew. I'm like, okay, let me try something. Let me just explore something new. I decided to boil the plantain, and then after boiling it, I mashed it, and then I brought out my bacon. So I didn't want the bacon to be crispy dry. I wanted the crispy to be succulent, like the way I'll be able to wrap it. If it's so dry, you'll not be able to wrap um, the bacon around whatever it is you want to wrap. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna make it just succulent. So I have this small grill, you know, machine that I used to, grill my bacon. Yeah. So I decided to slice my tomatoes and cut all my cuttables, whatever it is that I needed to use. And here comes my bacon. Yeah. And then I was just thinking, okay, how many slices should I get out? I didn't want it to be too much. I wanted something we can consume that night and everybody goes to bed. Yeah. And then, so once the plantain was cooked, I mashed it like as if I was mashing potato. And then this was when I was just cleaning and trying to put the bacon into the grill machine. This machine helps me a lot. Like I'll just cover it and do something else. Yeah. Even I use it for my sausages and yeah, like basically anything I wanted to grill like in few seconds is will just be done. So yeah, this was bacon getting, yeah, that was the texture that I needed, that I could use to wrap the plantain right there. Mhm. So for this menu, I can't say this is the recipe. It was just like something that dropped off my head and I decided to try it. But guess what? My son loved it. Like he ate this, he ate like, even the dad was like, what is going on here? He ate like about two, will I say two wraps or two muffins, whatever you want to call it. So I decided to smash the plantain like so. So in this one, I was just thinking, should I add egg? Will it be too much? Will it be too heavy? There's already bacon. I don't know. I was just like, let's just do plantain for now. And that was what we did. And it came out well. At least I enjoyed it. I ate like see like three and gave him two wraps like with plantain and all the ingredients in it. So I would first of all like put the bacon around the pan, just like the way you see it in the video, and then I will put the plantain, the mashed plantain. Already I sprinkled a little bit of onions underneath and tomatoes, all those sliced veggies that I'm using. So I put it and then I put, yeah, the way I was putting in the video, I'll put like a little bit of onions, pepper, and that's just the way. This was when it was ready. Like I already put it and brought it out. We tasted it because the plantain was already cooked, the bacon was ready. I just wanted it to, wrap around the whole thing. This was my son eating it, so it was garnished well, and we all enjoyed it. Everybody had a happy night, and we slept well. Yeah, so this is my little recipe. I'll try it again, maybe this time with egg. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.